Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my payment proof for Pawns.app, and I'll be walking you through step by step exactly how I withdraw this and also where it's received and show you the payment proof of that. Okay guys, so taking a look at my dashboard, as you can see I've currently earned $5.59. I've currently got two computers at the moment that are active, or should I say one is active and one is inactive. Whenever one of them pops off, the other one jumps on. You can see the rate there that I'm charged or given per gigabyte that I send through them, so that's 20 cents per gigabyte. And what you need to do to withdraw this is press request payout, and to request a payout you need to have the minimum withdrawal amount of $5. So request payout, choose whichever choice of transfer that you prefer. So for myself, I'm going to use PayPal. Okay, so now taking a look over at the withdrawal screen. So as you can see here, it says my balance of $5.59, and it's saying that there's a fee of 4%, minimum 25 cents, which I wasn't aware of that, but that's fine. And press withdraw. So what you're going to need to do is obviously get the one-time passkey from your email address. Okay, one-time password confirmed. And this is the email that I received from IP Royal Pawns. And this is the same email that you'll also receive as well once you get to your withdrawal point. And what I have done is I have now requested a withdrawal for $5.34, and as you can see, for me to earn the $5.34, the traffic that I shared was 27.95 gigabytes. I did a video just a couple of days ago in regards to my review on Pawns.app, and in that video I just hit 25 gigabyte. So I would recommend, guys, you definitely go check that out. Okay, so a little bit of time has passed now and the status has turned to processed, and I received the email to say that it's also processed as well. So let's have a look at the account now that it has processed. It says the balance is 00 and it's already started to build its next bit of income from the traffic that I've already sent across to them. So let's have a look again at the payment history. So that's gone through to as processed. One thing as well that I did notice as well, guys, when it comes to the withdrawing, is when you was on the actual request payout, there was a fee for if you just pull out via PayPal, but if you was to choose to take out via something such as like gift cards, or take it out via Visa or something like that, it would actually charge you a complete different fee. I think the fee was actually 0% for gift cards, so that's definitely something worth checking out and considering. If you haven't currently already got Pawns.app installed, I would also recommend to check out the description box, and there will be a link in there for you to download and install this app for yourself. I'd also recommend as well, if you have installed this or you are a current user of Pawns.app, make sure to refer as much of your friends that you can do, just to add those extra earnings to your account. It isn't much, clearly, as you can see, but it is definitely worth doing that to increase your your income and your passive income side of it, so you can have a couple more pennies along the lines of it. So also another tip would be to increase your earnings, would be making sure that you have this on a computer or an Android or any device in your home that's left on for the longest period of time, that has access to the internet. And the last thing I would recommend as well to increase your earnings would be to make sure that you check out the description and just install the rest of the apps and devices throughout there. As I say, guys, it shouldn't affect any of your internet speed. It's not affected any of mine. I class this as a nice little steady, just a few pennies here and there. But if you've already got these computers switched on and running the same as I do, then why not? Because like I say, the electric costs and things like that are high in pretty much in most countries at the moment. And even if it's not because they're high, an extra $5 here and there doesn't hurt anybody. Like I say, I don't have much use for it, but at the same time, there's always something you can buy with $5, so definitely worth checking out and keeping an eye out for these type of things. Guys, if you enjoyed this type of video and this is something that you guys would like to see more of, I'm happy to do review videos on all the payout methods on all of the apps that I'm currently using at the moment. So if you'd like to see anything else, or you haven't seen me do a video or mention or anything that's not in my description box down below, then definitely let me know in the comments of an app that's worth checking out for me. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.